A GTA 5 video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get the minigun in GTA 5 whenever you're not even on the right rank. Now it's pretty easy. All you got to do is just go into the deathmatch. And go into the deathmatch and make sure they have the miniguns. Now make sure you save the ammo, and then whenever you're done with the deathmatch, just exit and go on free mode. And whenever you go on free mode, then you'll have the minigun in where the rocket launcher is. So you'll actually have it whenever you're not even on the right rank. So you don't have to be on rank 100 to get the minigun. So I'm going to be showing you that in about a couple minutes. Not a couple minutes, a couple seconds. Like 1 second, because I can cut the video. So yeah, I'll be showing you how to do that. So yeah. Okay guys, I am back. And now what you're going to go ahead and do is hit free mode. Whenever you get on this screen, hit free mode. Let's see if I can fix the camera. There we go. Alright, now, like I said, you can get the minigun just by going in a deathmatch. Make sure they have that minigun, and if you get to the guns, pick up the minigun, and just keep on. Make sure you save the ammo. Make sure you don't shoot it or anything. And whenever you go after that deathmatch is over, you're gonna go ahead and select free mode, and then you're gonna go in your weapons, and then you're gonna go ahead. You know where the rocket launcher is, so you're gonna switch it, and then it should just be miniguns and stuff. So for an example, I don't know, but it's easy. You don't even have to be on the rank 100 to get that. I mean, I'm on rank 66. Why would I want to wait until I'm on rank 100 or 50 or 100 or whatever, and then I have to get the minigun? That makes no sense at all. So yeah, you're gonna have to select free mode. Go make sure you hit the right one, because sometimes you get kind of messed up. And as you can see, I'm on my game. Go ahead. Like I said, there we go. That's the minigun. So I have the rocket launcher in the minigun, and I'm rank 66. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Down, 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 down. Na